Imagine if you could cut engineering spend without cutting capacity, speed up production without sacrificing quality, scale operations without scaling complexity. This is what the future of engineering could look like. For too long, companies have followed the same path. Siloed teams, fragmented processes. Automation boosts speed, but not breakthroughs. Offshoring cuts costs, but slows innovation. It's time for a change. A new era of engineering, built on stronger connections. Between industry leaders and engineering partners, turning blueprints into real-world impact. Designing with intention, smarter, lighter, greener. Next-generation products, streamlined for supply and set for compliance. No weak links, no slowdowns, just competitive edge on demand. Between knowledge and application, industry experts taking what works in one industry and reshaping it for another. Advanced technologies, scaled and deployed globally. Across time zones, across borders. Innovation anywhere you need it. Boosting productivity and driving results. Plug in, power up, perform. Between talent and technology, world-class teams working as one, moving at speed so you can too. Every link stronger, every cycle faster, every outcome transformed. This is the future of engineering. Connected, optimized, unstoppable. Let's build it together.